Hey beautiful people, it's Tracy here. So today we're going to talk about the natural hair trends that I do not want to follow. So stay tuned. So one of the natural hair trends that I refuse to follow is the rice water trend. I refuse to do it because I believe that if you put too much protein in your hair all at once, it's going to make your hair really hard. So I feel like you guys, if you're new natural watching this, I feel like you should enjoy each step of the process. It goes by really fast. Like I am officially 8 months natural today, and it's been very different. Like the way my hair is now is very different from how it was when I was only 4 months natural. I was able to do a lot of low puffs and enjoy that style. Now I can't. I can no longer do that style. My hair is now too it looks too floppy in a low bun, if that makes sense. It used to look very polished when I used to do a low bun with like shorter hair. So enjoy the process. Don't try to speed up the process. I know it's very hard from coming from doing the big chop, having longer hair and going back to shorter hair. I know that process is very hard because you're so used to having longer hair, but enjoy the process, because anything that you do that goes too fast, you will lose it just as fast. I feel like putting too much protein all at once in your hair like that cannot be beneficial for your hair. I feel like, do you have to constantly use it, or does it make your hair too hard? I heard like some reviews, people say that their hair became very hard because it's a very intensive protein treatment. It's too intensive, even for high porosity girls. So for me, I personally don't follow that trend, and I don't want to. A lot of people wanted me to make reviews about it, and I refuse to do it because I don't want to do anything that will harm my hair, the growth of my hair, if that makes any sense. And I don't want to do something where I have to constantly do it just to keep it from harming my hair, if that makes any sense. Because what happens when you don't use the rice water treatment? And plus it smells like cat piss. The other hair trend I don't do is actually doing high puffs. When I do a high puff, my edges and the nape of my head is being pulled a lot, and I don't like that feeling, and I don't like the headache it gave me. Like I remember I wore my first high puff at the library and my head was hurting all day, and I could not concentrate well on the material I was studying. I just refuse to do that style. I just don't like it. So that's why I don't follow that trend. The next trend I don't follow is that I don't like to sleek my edges. I don't know if you guys have noticed, my edges are not really sleeked. I did try at one point again to try to sleek them, and I was trying to find edge control that really sleek my edges, and I realized that I don't like the idea of keep brushing my hair until I get like that style, that the wave look, because I feel like there's a lot of manipulating my edges, and your edges are really fragile. So I didn't like that, and when I did do it for a while, I started seeing like a lot of breakage, like little breakage, not like a lot, but like a little bit of breakage around my edges. And so I just let them be free. So majority of the time when I'm not recording, or if I'm not teaching a class, or if I'm not going out on a date, my hair is in twist. I go to the gym in twist, I study in twist, I live in twist. And so I don't really sleek my edges that much. I just let them be free. I kind of brush them a little bit, just like, because you know when I sleep they get all messed up, but I just like brush them a little bit and then they look nice. And for video purposes, I do use Camille Rose gel. It's not tacky, so it's like a little gel, and I just like sleek my edges with it a little bit. But that's really it. I don't like sleek edges. I don't know, it just like, I guess I'm going through a phase in my life where I don't really care to sleek my edges down. I just like wearing my hair how it is. So some videos you'll actually see that, and some videos I sleek them down just for videos, because I know there's supposed to be like an appearance for natural hair. So that's why I sleek my edges sometimes, but usually I don't sleek my edges. The next trend that I don't follow is that I don't want to color my hair. A lot of people are coloring their hair. I feel like it's becoming very common now for natural girls to color their hair. I don't want to. A lot of my friends who are colored naturals, or they were colored naturals, told me not to do it. I did have the itch to color my hair an ombre effect. Then I thought about it. I'm like, right now I could probably take care of my hair colored, but I don't know how my life is going to be in 6 months from now or in a year from now. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to be consistent with my hair as much as I am now, because life happens. I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I actually am on the path to becoming a doctor and working in the health field. So like, I really want to be able to focus on that, but I do focus on my hair, but I don't know how my life is going to change in a year. Am I going to be able to do my hair every week? I don't know. So it's just like, with colored hair, you have that kind of burden that you have to have, maintain a moisture balance for your hair, because your hair does need it. So I don't want to stress my hair out. I don't want to stress myself out trying to be colored now and then messing up my hair in the future. So I really want to just rock my natural hair, my natural black curls, whatever. If I ever feel like I want to color my hair really bad, I'll just do the wax method and just wax my hair for that day and enjoy the color and take pictures and just go back to my dark hair. So that's one of the hair trends I don't follow. The next hair trend I don't follow is that I don't pineapple. I don't mini pineapple. I heard that was a thing too. I don't pineapple my hair. I band my hair. I say that time and time again. That has helped my hair so much because I like to wear my hair in a stretched out state. So this is day, I want to say 4 hair. And so after recording this video, I do have a class to go teach. And then when I come back home, I will be banding my hair in 4 quadrants and then wear my hair banded. And every day after I band my hair, even if I'm staying at home, I will use some type of oiling product like almond oil and moisturize my hair a little bit and band it back. So I've been doing that consistently for about 2 weeks now. I have not shedded that much. So I have not experienced a lot of single strand loss during wash day. My single strand loss actually decreased a lot since I've been adding the almond oil to my hair regimen and also using it as a daily moisturizer. So I don't want to say moisturizer because it's not, oils are not moisturizing, but you know what I mean, a moisturizing oil. But I use it just to like refresh it a little bit, and then I'll bend my hair again, and then I would wear it out when I need to, and then when I need to refresh my hair, I would refresh my hair and continue that same regimen until wash day. So that's one of the hair trends I don't follow. I don't like the pineapple because I feel like the nape of my hair gets stretched out too much. So I don't know if you guys watch all my other videos where I tell you like here, my hair here is very loose compared to my hair here. I have kinkier hair on top, which is like the opposite of all my friends. So I have kinkier hair all on top of my head, and then literally this little section right here is very loose. So I have to like really manipulate it to like curl up more, because if I pull it down or play with it, it will just like hang there because it's looser. So when I do the pineapple method, it's stretching my hair where I have looser curls here. And then when I would fluff out my hair will be too loose on the bottom and okay on top. So I just didn't like that style. And then when my hair was shorter, it was like, I felt like I was stressing my hair even more trying to get that pineapple up. But now it's a little longer, I can do the pineapple, I just choose not to. I like the banded method. The other hair trend I don't follow is that I don't have a set schedule to trim my hair. I trim as needed. So every wash day, I actually have my shears with me on my counter. And anytime I'm twisting my hair, if my twists are not coming like I want it to at the ends, I just cut it off and move on to the next one. I used to have a set schedule. I used to say that on my previous videos, I have a 3-month mark. Every 3 months I would trim my hair, but I now have changed that regimen. I actually trim as needed because some months my hair is really good and some months my hair just need it. And some weeks, some wash days, my hair needs that trim. Maybe I didn't catch it the last time and I caught it this time. And I don't trim my hair on stretch out hair or like blow dry hair. I do not blow dry my hair. I don't add any direct heat to my hair. Blow dry is not direct heat, but still, in my opinion, it's kind of really touching that borderline, you know? So the way I trim my hair is I twist my hair, and then at the bottom where it's really thin, I just cut that area. And I do cut it when it's kind of slightly damp while I am styling my hair. I don't cut on dry hair, which I know a lot of people say you should cut on dry hair. I just don't, and it has worked for me. And that's why I can see if the hair is coiling correctly, and that's how I trim my hair. So that's one of the hair trends I don't follow. The other hair trend I don't follow is that a lot of naturals are starting to not put oils in their hair, or seeing the importance of oils. I am a heavy believer of oils. I used to never use oils on my relaxed hair. So being the girl who loves oils as a natural is kind of funny to me. but I really love natural oils on my hair. Like I put it in my leave-in, my deep conditioner, daily moisturizing oils. Like I love oils. It has helped my scalp so much. I used to have excessive dandruff. Like I'm talking about big flakes. When I was relaxed, and also when I was transitioning as a natural, I had big flakes because I did not use oils. And once I started incorporating oils and massages in my hair regimen, my dandruff issue went away. Like it didn't decrease, it went away. Like I'm still in shock. I knock on wood, it doesn't come back, but I don't have dandruff and I'm not insecure about my scalp. Like if somebody comes close to me, I'm okay with you looking at my hair, but I don't have any flakes in my hair, which is kind of great to say. But when I don't use oils, that's when I see that I do have dry scalp and that my scalp is very irritated, and I don't like that feeling. Like if you don't like oils and you don't use oils, that's okay. You do what you want with your hair. But for me, I just love oils, and I think that there's a huge and I think that's one of the biggest reasons my hair has been growing so well lately. Like my hair's been growing the way it's supposed to. Like I have set measurements where my hair needs to be at certain points of the year, and it's been hitting those marks. So, and I feel like one of the biggest things that's been helping my hair is the oils. Like if I skip putting oils in my leave-in or my deep conditioner, I can instantly tell something's wrong with my hair. Like it's not wrong, but it's just not as great. It's not operating at its optimal level, and I can see a huge difference because some wash days I just like forget, or I'm in a rush because I'm like wrapping up and I have places to be, and I just forget to put like oils in my hand after the leave-in and then distribute it. But when I do put the oils in my deep conditioner, or when I put oils in on my ends, it's been helping me retain length. So that's why I don't follow the trend of not putting oils on your hair. I just want to make a disclaimer about this video. These are the things that I don't follow because I don't think that it will benefit my hair. But if it benefits your hair, continue doing it, because you have to know what's best for your hair. If you are experiencing a lot of split ends, try to not have a set date to trim your hair, but trim as needed and see if there's a huge difference. If not, then you can go back to your regular regimen. Your hair journey is your hair journey, and I want you to enjoy it as much as you can, because it changes so much. Like my hair right now, I kind of miss how my hair used to be, because right now my hair is very different. My curl pattern is changing, which is, I don't want to say curl pattern, but like the texture of my curls are different. It's weighing down more because it's getting longer, and my wash days are taking longer because my hair is getting thicker. It's just, my hair is acting very different. It's becoming a different woman. She's becoming a lady now. Okay, that was weird. But you know what I mean. So anyways, I'm so happy that you guys watched this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.